Hello everyone and welcome to Pinnavex. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a location QR code. This type of QR code is incredibly useful for sharing specific locations, whether it's for an event, a business, or even a hard-to-find landmark. Think about it. Instead of giving people complicated directions, you can just share a QR code, and they'll get instant access to the exact location. I'll also guide you on how to find latitude and longitude using Google Maps, so you don't have to worry about entering the wrong details. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Pinnavex.com. On the homepage, you'll see an option to create a QR code. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the QR code generator page, where you'll find options for all sorts of QR codes. Here, select the location QR code option. Step 2. Finding latitude and longitude using Google Maps. Now, let's figure out the latitude and longitude for the location you want to share. This step is important because it ensures the QR code takes people to the exact spot you intend. Here's how you do it. Go to Google Maps. Open maps.google.com on your web browser or smartphone app. Search for the location. Type the address or name of the location into the search bar and press enter. Google Maps will zoom in and drop a pin on the location. On a smartphone, long press the pinned location until you see the latitude and longitude appear. On a laptop, right-click on the pinned location to see the coordinates. Use a notepad or text editor. Copy the latitude and longitude and paste them into a notepad or text editor first. Why? This step ensures you don't mix up the values when entering them later. The first number is the latitude, and the second number is the longitude. Go back to the Pinnavex QR code generator and paste the latitude into the latitude box and the longitude into the longitude box. Then you can customize the style, eyes, colors, frame and text, logo or background image of the QR code to your taste. Step 3. Once you've customized to your taste, test your QR code. Scroll down and use the built-in QR code reader. You should see a message like, QR code seems to be readable. If it works perfectly, you can download your QR code in PNG, JPG, or other formats for free. No sign-up is required. But here's the best. If you want to save your QR code for future edits or track its performance, I highly recommend creating a free Pinnavex account. Let me show you how. To sign up, scroll to the top of this page and click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page. Here's what you need to do. Enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're human. You can also sign up with your Facebook or Google account for quicker access. Once you're done, click Register. Check your email for the activation link. Open the email, click on the link, and your account will be verified. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage all your QR codes and track their performance with advanced analytics. To create a location QR code, click on Generate QR Code from your dashboard. Step 1. Select the Location QR Code option. Give it a name for easy access around other QR codes from your dashboard. Step 2. Now, let's get the latitude and longitude for the location you want to share. Follow these steps. Open Google Maps. Go to maps.google.com on your browser. Search for your location. Type in the address, landmark, or business name in the search bar and hit enter. Google Maps will zoom into the spot and drop a red pin on the exact location. Now, let's pinpoint the coordinates. If you're on a smartphone, long press on the red pin until a menu pops up at the bottom of the screen with the latitude and longitude. If you're using a laptop or desktop, right-click on the red pin to see the coordinates displayed at the top of the menu. Copy the coordinates. Click on the latitude and longitude to copy them. Paste them into a notepad or text editor. To avoid mix-ups, paste the coordinates into a notepad or text editor first. This lets you separate the values easily. The first number is your latitude. The second number is your longitude. Head back to the Pinnavex location QR code generator and paste the latitude into the first box and the longitude into the second. And just like that, you've successfully added your location data. Step 3. Customizing your QR code style. Once the coordinates are in place, Let's make your QR code stand out. Head to the Style section to explore various customization options. Choose a design that reflects your brand or aesthetic. All changes will be visible instantly in the QR code preview. Step 4. Customizing the eyes. Next, adjust the eyes of your QR code, the three corners. You can customize the inner and outer eye shapes to add a unique touch to your design. Step 5. Adding colors. To make your QR code pop, add colors. In the Colors section, customize the foreground and background colors. Choose colors that match your branding or event theme while ensuring there's enough contrast for scannability. Step 6. Adding a frame and text. Frames are a great way to make your QR code more engaging. In the Frame section, select from different styles. Add some text to the frame, like, "Scan for location. Find us here." Customize the font and color to complement your QR code. Step 7. Branding. Adding your logo. To personalize your QR code, upload your logo. This could be your company logo or an event symbol. Use the Logo Size tool to adjust its size and position within the QR code. Step 8. Adding a background image. Want to make your QR code even more attractive? Upload a background image. For example, use a map snapshot or a themed image. Be cautious with bold images as they might reduce scannability. If that happens, use the background transparency tool to adjust the image's opacity. Step 9. Testing the QR code. Before finalizing, test your QR code to ensure it works. Scroll down and use the built-in QR code reader tool. You should see a confirmation like, "QR code seems to be readable." Also, scan the QR code with your phone to confirm it directs to the correct location. Last step. Downloading your QR code. When you're satisfied with the design, download it in your preferred format. And that's it, you've created a stunning location QR code. Why use location QR codes? Location QR codes make it easier than ever to guide people to a specific spot. Whether it's an event, a hidden gem, or your business, a simple scan gets them there without the hassle of directions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Head over to Pinnavex.com to start creating your own QR codes today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.